This video is an ad for Mattel. What's up, doll collectors? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Today, we are taking a look at Mini BarbieLand. Barbies in miniature. We need a backdrop. Let's take a canvas, paint, a brush, and get crafty. Let's paint a sky and maybe some clouds. Let's add some mountains. How about a little water, a beach, grass, and a pink road to our very own Mini BarbieLand. It's art. Can we make some paper trees? Yeah, we can. Now let's check out those minis. This one looks like a tube of lipstick, but inside there are mini Barbie Fashionistas. But which one? The lipsticks come in different shades. I'm seeing pink and red. Each one is sold separately. Let's open one up and see our first Mini BarbieLand Fashionista. Then we just turn this and we can see the mini doll. And check out all those little details. You can see her eyes and her lipstick, a necklace, little stitching at the bottom of the dress. We can remove the figure from the lipstick stand and place it on a flat surface. Okay, my Barbie collection has just entered a whole new era of mini. So I'm gonna check out a few more. I'm seeing lots of different dolls here that I can add to our mini doll collection. This one has blue hair and pink shoes. These are about 1.5 inches tall and they can bend at the waist. So we're getting a little articulation there. And our next fashionista is wearing a little red and white dress with her hair styled up in a ponytail. Totally loving that these are minis of Barbie Fashionistas I can totally recognize. Black, white, and pink, classic. We've opened 4 so far, and there are still a few more that I want to see. So our next one is, ooh, a Ken doll wearing a wavy shirt and jean shorts. Then we have a mini Barbie in a peach dress. This one is wearing a pink top with stars. It's another Ken. The tiny printed stitching, I'm loving it. 2 more to go and we might have the whole collection. All I'm missing are these 2 right here. And our second to last one is, oh, we got twins. And our last one is the fashionista in the white shirt with the red details, giving us a pretty nice Mini BarbieLand Fashionista collection. Mini BarbieLand also has Barbie Pop Reveal minis. The container looks like the Barbie Pop Reveal cup. We gotta check this out. Oh wow, it has a tiny accessory. It looks like a straw, but in miniature. There are so many little details on the wrapper. We can see all of the dolls, and wow, there are even little instructions. So to reveal the doll, we just lift the cup out of the paper and there it is. Then we can remove the lid to take out the little mini doll. This one has watermelons on her skirt and red roller skates. We can put the lid back on the cup, then push the straw through the top. Oh wow, it's squishy. Let's open this blue one. We get another mini straw. And our Barbie Pop Reveal doll is the grape one with purple and blue hair and purple roller skates. And don't forget about the straw. Mini BarbieLand Color Reveal is like a real mini color reveal. Like seriously? There are some tiny instructions on the side and we can see all the dolls at the bottom. We have to remove the little wrapper. Oh wow, check that out. Then we have to remove the top and take out the little doll in the plastic. I cannot believe all of these miniature details. Let's add a little water up to the line. Then place the figure inside. I'm gonna put the cap back on. Oh wow, you can already see the little coating starting to dissolve. All right, we're just gonna give it a little swish. Swish, swish, swish. I am loving all these miniature Barbie experiences. And now we can reveal a mini Barbie color reveal doll. Need to see that again? Because I do. Remove the wrapper and the lid. Take out the doll. Fill the container to the line with water. Add the doll. Then enjoy the color reveal. Let's help this one out a little bit. And oh wow! I can see which doll it is. And there she is. A Barbie color reveal experience in miniature? I wasn't expecting that. But wow! Here is Mini BarbieLand Barbie Cutie reveal. I am loving these mini containers. I am totally going to use them as minis for my dolls. And it even has the little heart cut out on the top. As we look around the little container, we can see all of the minis in this collection, as well as what we can expect. Wait, are we going to get one of the little pets? Let's remove the top and take out the mini. The container is totally reusable. Oh, we got the unicorn. And the little head is soft. And we can remove it to reveal the doll. Y'all, they painted highlights in this teeny tiny doll's hair. And yes, we get a tiny pet unicorn. Let's open one more. Just remove the top to see our cutie reveal. We got a panda. And we can remove the little mask to reveal the doll, who has black hair with white and red highlights. We also have a tiny little panda with painted details. And these mini dolls have accessories, like the DreamBoat that comes with another mini Barbie. Wearing a bathing suit with flowers, the DreamBoat has little printed windows on the sides. There is a place for the mini Barbies to sit on the top. It comes with a small heart-shaped pool and a slide that we can attach to the back of the DreamBoat so the figures can slide into the pool. Here's the DreamCamper rolling into our mini BarbieLand. The mini Barbies can fit inside. The top of the camper can be removed and used as a pool. We can open the doors on the DreamCamper to see a miniature kitchen area where we can pretend the mini Barbies are cooking something tasty before getting on the road to see the sights. Just like the DreamBoat, the DreamCamper gives us another mini doll wearing overalls. There's a DreamPlane where we can pretend the mini Barbies are flying around BarbieLand. It's pink, purple, and white. We can have our mini Barbies sit in the front or in the back. We can open and close the sides and the top. And we can use everything together. The Barbie Fashionistas can get a ride in the DreamCamper, to catch the DreamPlane, to get a flight, to take a trip on a DreamBoat in our mini BarbieLand. Now let's talk mini real estate. A Barbie dream house in miniature. There are 1, 2, 3 different houses for our mini Barbies. This one has a bed that we can decorate our mini house with, a door that opens, a mystery box with a doll inside. I totally love the hair. There are little spaces in the floor where we can place the mini dolls. In the mystery box, there is a second surprise where I got a dog and a doghouse. This house also has an elevator, a slide, and a pool. Just imagine the mini world we can create when we put everything together. We want to give a special thanks to Mattel for partnering with us to make this video. And thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mini BarbieLand. And we will see you next time. Bye!